Since ancient times, ants have been acclaimed for their wisdom. Ants stand out or near the peak of invertebrate development, displaying memory, learning, and the ability to correct mistakes. Like human societies, ant communities have their own expertise at all three primary methods of obtaining food. It's gathering, hunting, and growing. A caste system divides the workload among workers, soldiers, and the queen. They will live together in the same colony. This system is believed to have existed for 30 to million years. Despite their intelligence, ants are trapped inside rigid and programmed behavior patterns that are distinct to each other's species. These patterns produce carpenters, dairymen, soldiers, seed collectors, fungus growers, and even thieves and beggars. Some species of ants breed colonies or other species and use them as slaves to work in their own colonies. Ants are also like humans.